I don't think this tool should be legal because it's scary at this point and a lot of people can use it for the wrong reasons. Just listen.
Hey guys, I am your content creator for today. Make sure you like this video.
What you just heard right now is an AI clone of my voice, and it was done by a free AI voice generator that helps you clone your voice and any popular celebrity. I mean, like literally anyone, it can help you to clone their voice, be it Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Tinubu, Tinubu or any other celebrity, or Whiskey Davido or your favorite celebrity. This tool can help you to clone their voice. Even that your wicked uncle in the village, this very tool can help you to clone his voice. Yes, it can do all of that. It is that powerful. And in this video, I'm going to show you how this tool is being used, step-by-step guide from the very step to the last step, which you can use to create your account and also clone any voice that you want, be it your voice or any popular celebrity's voice or anyone's voice at all. But wait, before you proceed, if you're new here, I make it to follow tutorials, so please hit that subscribe button, click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. So first thing first, you need to come to this website, Fish.audio, then you come to voice cloning. Then when you come to voice cloning, you just come and just click on unlist because you don't want the voice to be public. Here, just leave the image blank, and here I want to type in the name. Let's use Gerard, and here description, just use a YouTuber. I'm basically a YouTuber, so I think that covers for everything. Tag, I'll still just use Gerard. They should fly. You can use anything you want. So you need to come down here, then upload your already pre-recorded audio. Don't record with this thing because it might not really give you what you want. So just upload any audio that you already recorded. It could be like 30 seconds long or less, depends. So you just come here and then upload the recorded audio. This is one I recorded already. Let's say it's good. So just click here.
A few moments later.
And within seconds, my voice is ready. So complete listen.
Hey guys, I am your content creator for today.
Yeah, I can save it. When I'm done playing, I can just save it, and you can see here. So when I want to use it, just click on use voice. That's want to make use of my own voice. Click on use voice, and I can type anything I want here. Where they say I should add text, I can type literally anything that I want here. I can just so let's clear this off. This is what I said earlier, so let me just clear this off and type in something. Hey guys, I am your assistant. Now I think let's use content creator. I'm your content creator for today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Subscribe to my channel, please. So we just come down here and then click on create, and within seconds your voice, your sound will be ready. So basically that's my voice, and you can also click here to download it onto your system or your device. You can make it up your phone. So if you want to clone the voice of a popular person, all you have to do is come down to discovery, click on discovery, wait for it to load. You're going to see different voices here. We have Trump here, we have like different voices here. Horror. If you scroll down, you see that there are different voices. We have Elon Musk there too, and all of that. So let us make use of Trump's voice. Click on use voice. So here in this box, just type in whatever you want to say. But this tool is free, by the way. So just type in something here. China, just make something China. Let's make something fun. China is the problem. China is a problem. I think that's so dramatic. Let's just change that. That's so dramatic. This is China. David Trump always loves saying it. China is after our economy, so I think we should use that. I'll make America great again. No, I think this is fine. We should make use of this. So you just come down here and click on create voice, and within seconds your voice will be ready. Let me know what you're going to use this very site for, and comment link in the comment section, and I will send you a link to this site directly. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment in the comment section below, and also share this video for your loved ones and people that will be willing to learn how to use tools like this. See you guys in the next video.